Hi everyone, today we are doing a mystery bag unbagging. I have my bag right over there. I will show you in a minute. And as always with these videos, I will be splitting things out into different categories depending on whatever I find in there. And really the main goal of this is to have fun, hopefully find some things to bring to Plato's Closet so that I can bring in those things, get it traded for some cash, and use that cash to purchase things from Plato's Closet, because usually they have nicer things or more catered, what is it? Curated, more curated things than a regular thrift store, and hopefully I can purchase things from Plato's that I can flip for more of a profit. So if I find something in this bag that I can personally flip myself, then bonus, that's amazing. And to be honest, I love repurposing clothes anyway, so I try really hard to find something to do with the clothes no matter what. So let's just jump right in. Almost got it. As we spend like a minute trying to open this bag. Ta-da! All right, right on top I see something red. Looks like a coat. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, I gotta show you. This is red, but like look at the hardware. Like, you see that? And it like clasps to these. I don't know, it zips also. It's got pockets. Oh, I'm seeing a little tag here that says Lauren. That means Ralph Lauren. Here, I'm gonna scoot back so you can see it fully. And so I can see it. Here is the jacket. And it does have buttons on the cuff. Seems really nice. It says Lauren, USRL, 100% cotton, made in Hong Kong, size small. I don't know, is that Ralph Lauren? Let me show you. I've never seen a tag like that. So maybe I'll look this one up, but that's really unique, like these clasp things. Yay, we got a look up right off the bat, right on the top. That's exciting. Maybe that means the rest of the bag will be good. Fingers crossed. Oh, we have cabbie. This is the older cabbie, but that's fine. Size small. Looks like it's like a sweater blazer type of situation. It's navy. And I think I'm gonna look that one up too, because it's somewhat substantial for cabbie. I mean, very picky about listing certain cabbie things. I'm only listing substantial cabbie because I've just found out that the cabbie tops just aren't doing well for me. Oh, this is a good bag, guys. I'm thinking. I don't know, that just looks pretty exciting. Do you know what that is? It's True Religion. I don't know why I get so geeked over True Religion. I don't even know if it sells well, but size 34. Is that men's or women's? I feel like these are men's, but still really cool. These seem like they're in excellent, excellent condition. Oh no. Oh no, they've been hemmed. I guarantee you they have been hemmed because I don't see the exposed, and they're a little bit dirty, but darn, they've definitely been hemmed. So I don't know if that'll make a difference or not, but I'm gonna look these up. If they're not anything, I will bring them to Plato's. I don't know if they'll take them because they're hemmed. We'll see. It was still exciting though. All right, I'm seeing plaid. I think it's a jacket. Thread and Supply, size medium. Oh, let me show you. It is. It's kind of like more of a shacket though. Where it's got like the pockets here and down here, like almost like a chore jacket. I'm a little confused. Why is there stitching? Oh no, I think this is torn. Like I think somebody did the pockets wrong. Yeah, somebody tore the pocket. Oh, that is such a bummer. Yep, that's what happened. So that sucks. So I am gonna probably have to pass this on. I would have even probably tried it on. I hate projects, but I can sew, so I don't know. I don't know about this one. Set it over there for now. Calvin Klein. These were brand new. I literally just took these out of the packaging. But there was Calvin Klein boxers in there, size medium. Maybe I shouldn't have taken them out of the packaging. They were new. They were new. Okay, it's not like they were dirty, right? So, I'll give them to someone in my family. I think that's what I'm gonna do with those because I just opened them. I shouldn't have opened it. I was wondering just what it was, so I saw Calvin Klein. We have, this looks like a skirt. We've got some smocking here and some layers. And it looks like some floral print. Mac Studio, size small. That's actually really cute. I think, I'm not a skirt person. This would actually go really well with what I'm wearing because it's got some of the orange in there. Should I keep it? Honest to goodness, I don't wear skirts, so I think I'm gonna take this to Plato's. Works. Feel like I've heard this brand before. Is that a good brand to resell? I feel like I've heard of it. It's like a camo thermal, long sleeve, like Henley. I might look that one up because I feel like I've heard of that before. So we'll see. Oh, we have a hat. We have a little hat in here. Oh, it is new tags. I don't know what brand it is. It just has some mountains on it. But yeah, little beanie. We'll take that to Plato's. Next item looks like a coat. It's cream. Petite Ashley Scott. Maine, USA. Oh, this has some shoulder pads. But this looks like it's nice. I'm gonna have a really hard time showing you this because it's long. It's got pockets. I might look into that. It looks like it might be, I don't know if that's vintage or not, but here's what the tag looks like. So we'll look into that one too. Wow, I feel like this is such a great bag. Looks like we have some new tags things in here. So that's cool. This is from Nautica. I think I'm actually gonna see if someone in my family wants that because it's new. Oh, here's another Nautica, size a large. Oh, one was large, one's extra large. So again, I think someone in my family might really like those. So they look like polo shirts because I don't think Nautica is really something to resell. I don't think it's something that Plato's is gonna take. We have a sweatshirt, a black ribbed hoodie sweatshirt by J America. Okay, we have more things from that brand. This is an extra small sweater. I don't think that this is gonna fit me, so I'm gonna take that to Plato's. We've got like a blue and white space dye. This looks like a quarter zip. I'm just gonna run through this. Sorry, I kind of have to hurry up through this one, but I'm just gonna do a speed run of whatever is left. This is actually really cute. I'm gonna try that one on as well. I love the coloring. My phone is going off, sorry. Okay, here's like a vest version, but in green. We have another quarter zip. This one is gray. Try that one on. I can't keep all of them. I'm not going to keep all of them, but I'm gonna try them on and see which one I like best. Okay, and as we're rushing through, that is the end of this bag. There's one more item in here. This is beige. It's also from that same brand, and it is a full zip. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that one. Okay, I have to get going. I'm so sorry that this one was a bit more rushed. My piles are falling down. I will see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.